Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning. So I am up. I'm on my way to work. I have work today. Well, I'm not on my way. This is what I'm gonna do. Yep, I'm looking at the camera to make sure I got it up there perfectly. But yep, I'm doing my laundry. I'm folding laundry because got some laundry that needs to be folded. A couple of bags that I got waiting for me to fold. So I'm sitting on my bed since I'm in my room. I already made my bed, so I got the bag of clothes out, and I'm folding up my laundry so that I can have, laundry stacked up nice and neat so that the kids will have clean clothes to wear and stuff. I like to do a couple of errands, well, not errands, but chores and stuff before on days that I have to work, because I don't want to come home with dishes and things like that. So now I'm fixing breakfast. I made some butter toast and some melon. This is just some green melon. I made this. I had it in the refrigerator, so I like to give my kids some fruit. If you are low and need to go shopping, toast is always a good belly filler. You can make plenty of toast. Right now in the air fryer, I just popped some sausages in there, so those are in there. So I'm going to have sausages, toast, and some melon. It is a perfect breakfast. It's balanced, and it covers about everything you need for the groups of food. So I'm taking more toast out. Like I said, if you're low on food, or if you need to go shopping but you got a whole loaf of bread and you need to fix your kids' breakfast, butter toast is always a winner. I'm pouring some butter on it, melted the butter in the microwave, and I'm just putting, some butter toast on each slice of toast. Butter toast, I'm telling you, it will always win with somebody in breakfast. You go out to eat for breakfast, you're always going to want some nice butter toast. Kids love butter toast. So this is my last little shebang of butter, and I'm pouring that on there, and then I just pour the butter on there. I let it melt. Oops, that fell on there. Sorry, that wasn't supposed to happen, but yep, I'm going to pour this last little bit of butter on there because you want the toast to be buttery, which will make the kids want to eat it. And there is breakfast, guys. Look at that. Sausage is done. My sausage is all done. Took it out the air fryer. Looking good. Now I got a nice breakfast, and actually that's better for me. I like that better. I like it brown. I thought that was done, but not.